Established in 1962, Audio-Technica has been creating audio equipment and devices for over half a century. It's also the #1 brand of headphones in Japan. Thanks to the folks from Audio-Technica, I get to review two of their new headphone and earphones, their classics M50X, which now offer Bluetooth connections, and their new SQ1TW, which is a TWS earphone. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast with episode 64. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the true wireless stereo earphone, the SQ1TW. First, a quick unboxing. The packaging is compact and simple. Inside is the earphone, a short USB-C cable, extra ear tips in different sizes so you can get the right size for a snug fit, and lastly, some documents. Offer in 6 cheerful colors and have a rather interesting earbuds design. Everything is squarish, including the earbuds and the charging case. This explains the model naming SQ, square design, and TW, true wireless. The USB-C charging port and LED are at the back. The lid covers and earbuds magnets are confident. It has a pretty compact case but a little thick to be comfortable in a tight jeans pant. Pairing it with Android devices is seamless as it supports Google Fast Pair. Open the lid's covers and take out both earbuds. Your Android smartphone now should prompt you to connect the SQ1TW. As for iOS, macOS and PC, the pairing would be manual through the Bluetooth settings. It supports singles and dual modes, meaning you can use any side of the earbuds independently. Here come the designs of the earbuds. They are high quality plastic with matte finishes on the touch panels and a glossy metallic that adds some premium touch. The earbuds are lightweight and solid at only 5.2 grams each. It's also IPX4 splash resistance, meaning you can shrug off splashes and a bit of drizzles. As mentioned, it supports touch controls on the earbuds. The left earbuds manage the volume control, single tap to increase the volumes and double tap to decrease the volume. While single tap on the right is to start or pause playback, double to play the next track, and triple to play previous track. You can also accept and end score from both sides of the earbuds. Because it's lightweight and has a long stalk, you'll find the SQ1TW fit very well and is comfortable in our ear canals. Additional to that, it has a good passive seal which can block most of the external noise. Do you know that ANC does affect sound quality? This is why I normally disable ANC to do all my earphone tests. The Audio-Technica SQ1TW may not feature ANC, but they do have this hear-through mode, also known as transparent mode. This enables us to hear the surroundings without taking off the earbuds by touch and holding for 2 seconds on the right earbuds to enable or disable. If you are using it for gaming, the SQ1TW supports low latency mode, which reduces sound delay when playing games or watching videos. Touch and hold for 3 seconds on the left earbuds to enable or disable. Worth noting that low latency mode may reduce sound quality as it lowers the bit rate. Using 5.8mm dynamic drivers, the audios are clear and loud. It has a well-defined instrument separations, a forward upper mid-range and trebles, hence the resetted lows, which is how I like it for my everyday music listening. The microphone features MEMS technology. Here's a mic test with the Audio-Technica SQ1TW. There's a busy street noise music playing behind and the aircon is blowing at this direction. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. What do you think about the microphone sound quality? A full charge of the earbuds will spare you up to 6.5 hours of playtimes, which is more than enough for a long daily commute or a sessions in the gyms. You get 2 more rounds of charges with the charging case. This means you get a total of 19.5 hours of playtimes before you need to drop it in for a charge. The Audio-Technica SQ1TW is a great pair of non-ANC earphones priced around RM300. It has an effective passive seal and produce solid sound at this price range. It would be nice if it's come with a companion app that allows us to control the equalizers. That's all from me on the Audio-Technica SQ1TW. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.